In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion. We're going to build a clean, centralized dashboard by displaying several databases on a single page, each with a view that fits your workflow. Start by opening the Notion page where you want everything to live. This will be your hub. On an empty line, type a /, then type database. Choose the format that matches how you like to work. Table if you want a spreadsheet feel, board if you prefer Kanban style columns, list for a simple linear view, or gallery if visuals matter. Notion will insert a new blank database directly on the page. This acts as your anchor, and you can come back to tweak it later. Now move to a new line. Type a / again, but this time select Link to Database. This option doesn't duplicate data, it simply shows an existing database in this page. Search for the database you want to display and select it. You'll see the linked database appear below the first one. Next, customize the way this linked database looks. At the top, click Add a new view and choose a layout such as table, list, or board. Pick the one that best highlights the information you care about. You can always change or switch views later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Make the view work for you by adjusting filters, sorting, and grouping. For example, filter to show only ongoing tasks, sort by due date to surface what's next, or group items by status or project to create quick swim lanes. These settings tailor the display without changing the underlying data. If a default view appears that you don't need, click the three-dot menu next to its name and select Delete. This removes only that view, not the database or any of its content. Repeat the process to add more databases. Type the / command, choose Link to Database, search, and select. For each newly linked database, add a new view, set the layout, fine-tune sorting and filters, and delete any default view that isn't helpful. Keep the databases stacked vertically on the page. This arrangement turns your page into a true dashboard where multiple datasets are visible at once, each in the most useful format for quick scanning and action. Finally, review and fine-tune your setup. Adjust layouts, filters, and groups until the page clearly surfaces the information that matters most. By combining multiple linked databases with customized views, you'll transform a single Notion page into a powerful dashboard for project management, content planning, or personal organization. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.